Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic. Guys, we're talking about that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those, you need to find, guys, where the tail lights fuse is located, which fuse you need to check for tail lights, guys, if they do not work, where to buy cheap fuse from so you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. Stay with us, we'll explain all that in this video today for your convenience, guys. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running. If it's blown, you can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So what we have here specifically, we'll demonstrate where the tail lights fuse is located on 2017 Honda Civic that we have right here. You will need to open the hood, and once you open the hood, you're going to see you can see the engine bay, and right here you're going to have, guys, okay, let me come this way a little bit, you're going to have a fuse box. Right here, you open that cover and you're going to see a fuse layout looks just like that. This is the front of the Honda Civic. This is towards the windshield side. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So, guys, you will have different fuses, relays. Those could be really expensive and hard to find, especially the multi-block fuses. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. The tail lights fuse now, guys, it will be located in that row right here. And if you come and count 1, 2, 3, this is known as fuse number 13, guys. That will be the fuse that you will need to check specifically, fuse number 13. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.